If you think these small river plants are simple, think again. Their leaves, stems, and microscopic structures reveal a level of engineering and purpose that forces us to rethink what we call ordinary.
Along the riverbanks, we walk past thousands of plants without ever realizing that some of them carry medicinal powers, microscopic defenses, and evolutionary designs more complex than any machine we've built.
Plants are fundamental architects of Earth's ecosystems, converting sunlight into energy and stabilizing environments from mountains to river valleys. Broadleaf species are especially efficient in capturing light and exchanging gases thanks to their wide surface area and specialized epidermal tissues.
Riverbank habitats are dynamic and demanding. Broadleaf plants here must anchor into unstable soil, endure moisture fluctuations, and adapt to filtered sunlight. Their flexible stems, hairy or waxy leaves, and strong vascular systems allow them to survive constant environmental stress.
In this documentary, we explore 3 broadleaf species of the Alborz range. Though all adapted to rugged river edge conditions, each displays unique anatomical features and evolutionary strategies that reveal the complexity and elegance of mountain flora.
Riparian plants produce defensive chemicals such as terpenoids and flavonoids, protecting them from herbivores and microbes. These same compounds often have medicinal potential, including anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, though many species remain scientifically understudied.
The alpine sage of the Alborz Mountains grows as a tight ground-hugging rosette, its silvery and velvet-like leaves densely coated with fine trichomes. These hairs help the plant survive by reducing water loss, reflecting intense sunlight, and trapping a thin insulating layer of air. Such adaptations allow the plant to endure cold winds and rapid temperature fluctuations common at elevations between 1,200 and 2,500 meters. Its strongly aromatic leaves contain essential oils rich in terpenoids, natural compounds that deter herbivores, inhibit microbial growth, and create the plant's characteristic sage fragrance. These biochemical defenses also contribute to the plant's mild anti-inflammatory and digestive effects, noted in traditional herbal practices, though correct species identification is always necessary before any medicinal use. The hairy plantain of the Alborz forms a low rosette of narrow, elongated leaves covered with stiff, bristle-like hairs.
These dense trichomes serve multiple purposes. They reduce water loss under dry mountain winds, create a mechanical barrier against herbivorous insects, and trap dust particles that reflect heat. The plant's compact growth near the soil helps it exploit ground-level humidity and stay protected from temperature extremes. Its slender brownish-red flower spikes produce small seeds similar to common plantain, but in reduced size. These seeds contain mucilaginous polysaccharides, gel-forming compounds responsible for the plant's mild, soothing, and anti-inflammatory effects. While the species is not typically used as food due to its coarse leaves, its biochemical profile shows why Plantago relatives have long held a role in traditional herbal remedies. The Alborz knotweed is a slender, moisture-loving plant, recognized by its narrow, lance-shaped leaves and pink, spike-like flower clusters. Its stems often show a reddish or purple tint, a pigment response that protects the plant from strong UV radiation at higher elevations. Favoring stream banks, gravel beds, and shaded valleys, this species thrives in areas where the soil retains intermittent moisture but drains quickly, an environment ideal for fast-growing annual herbs.
Although its appearance is delicate, the knotweed possesses a robust vascular system that supports rapid vertical growth. Some species within this genus contain mild anti-inflammatory compounds, but due to the difficulty in distinguishing them, medicinal use is generally discouraged.
Still, its ecological value is significant. The plant stabilizes wet soil, supports pollinators with its dense floral clusters, and often serves as a host for several small insects in riparian ecosystems.
In the intricate design of every leaf and root, we see a precise order that extends far beyond the plants themselves. Such harmony suggests a universe built on intention, not randomness, a system that invites us to reflect on the wisdom within creation.